Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Playa Mujeres Beach Resort. And we're in a junior suite swim out category. This is a great one. It's kind of on the entry level side. It's not in the preferred club, but it's a really great space, so check it out and tell me what you think. As soon as we walk in here to your left, you've got this great pass-through. I love this idea anywhere, but what's really, really nice is it eliminates having to, get out of bed to go get room service or being, woken up in the morning, unless that's something that you want, but it allows them to put it right in there and then basically you access it as you're ready. As soon as you walk into the left, you've got the Nespresso maker. It is complimentary. They'll replace the Nespresso as you like throughout your entire stay. And then you're also gonna have a fully stocked mini bar that once again, they'll replenish as you like. You've got a nice storage area. In fact, that's where I put my bag right there to unpack. It makes it really convenient. And then follow me right in here to the right to the bathroom. So immediately to my right is the toilet. Right here, you've got the shower. It has the full shower wand and the rainforest shower head up above. And I love that they have the little stool here where you can sit and soak or of course put your feet up if you're shaving. As you continue on in, you've got the double vanity here. You've got the full amenity kit, so they give you full size, shampoo, conditioner, body gel, soaps and things along those lines. But they also take care of the little things like sunscreen or bug repellent even. So I love that they have all those little touches in there for you. You've got your hair dryer, which is complimentary in every category, and this great jacuzzi soaking tub. And one of the things that I love is every single time you stay at Secrets, they're always gonna have this incense there. And when you light it, what I love is that it brings back the memory of every time you've been to Secrets. My wife and I came the first time for our honeymoon 12 years ago, and so as soon as I lit that, it just kind of gave me that nice little flush of memory. Right over here, you can see that it's louvered, so you can open that up if you want to get the light there as well, or you can keep it shut for the privacy. So as you continue on in to my left, you're gonna have the storage right here. So you've got hanging storage up above, and then of course drawers. You've got your safe, big enough for a small laptop or a tablet. And then right here, you've got all of your glassware. That actually goes with the Nespresso maker, so you can take that tray right out over there. And then you're also going to have, in addition to having an ironing board and an iron, you also have a steamer. As you continue on in, here is your full king size bed. You've got the beautiful canopy draped above. And then I love that they have these rugs on the side so that when you step in and out of bed, you're not right on the floor. I wanted to point out right here, you have your do not disturb and make up room buttons. I really like that because I feel like every time I wanted to set it, I forgot and I didn't have to get out of bed in the middle of the night to do it. But I love that they have that there, but just keep that in mind. There isn't one next to the door, so that's what you want to remember to do before you leave as well. You've got this great reading light so that you don't disturb your partner. And then you have this nice little clock radio that can use as a charger. But there aren't any electrical plugs or USBs on this side of the bed. I always bring an extra battery backup and I charge it during the day so that I can use it to charge my phone in the evening. Now, as we continue along to the other side of the bed, you've got the reading light once again and the lamp. You've got your remote control, your phone. There's one USB charger right there. Once again, no plugs over on this side, but you can use the USB charger to charge a phone. But what I do really like is that they have the temperature controls right next to the bed. That's another thing. You don't have to get out of bed in the night. Maybe you want to make it cooler or a little bit warmer. You can adjust it right there. Now, as we continue along, you've got your writing desk. Hopefully you don't have to do too much work on vacation here, but that's perfect for that. You've got your TV right here, your lamp, some plugs just behind. The other phone is right there, but I did want to point out this great tablet device. So this is going to be in every single room category here at Secrets Playa Mujeres. And what it is, it's your full program. So you can access dining menus if you like. You can even order room service directly from the tablet. It's a feature that I really appreciate. And then there's even a place to let them know that you're finished and that you've put it back in there so that they can take it away for you. But this is going to replace the daily program. It's a way to communicate, have all the information, the temperatures, all of those kind of things, but just a one-stop shop for everything you'll need while you're at the resort. So continuing on, you've got this full couch, perfect for two people to sit on. I love this ottoman. You can put your feet up, or of course, you can put a room service tray is perfect right there as well. And then over to the other side, you're gonna have a table, two chairs if you wanna dine in room, perfect place to grab a coffee. And then you've got these dimmers over here as well as your light switches. So now we're headed out to your private patio area. I love that they have, in addition to the doors that open up all the way and give you the indoor-outdoor, they also have a screen here as well if you want to have that breeze, but you don't want to have all the outside able to come in. So right here, you've got a little table, another perfect place for a cocktail, for coffee, or for that morning breakfast room service. the 2 chairs here. But what this is all about is this beautiful swim out plunge pool area. So this is connected. They're all interconnected between all of the swim out pools. Right here, you've got the stairs where you just walk right in. But what I love about this is, sometimes you don't want to get all ready and go down to the pool area. You just want to hop in maybe in the morning or the evening just to cool off and be refreshed. This is absolutely perfect for that, why it's one of the categories that we really love. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room at any Secrets or AM resort property, reach out to Harr Travel. We have an incredible relationship with AM, and we know that collaboratively we can help make the perfect choice for you to have the incredible vacation of a lifetime at an amazing value.